It's my favorite part of the show, time to help you make some cash. BJ Restaurants, BJRI is a ticker symbol. If you've been there, you know, I've been talking Cracker Barrel for 6 years. Let me jump on the BJ Restaurant bandwagon. In the last 4 quarters, when they reported their earnings, they beat the street by 67%, 25%, 76%, 48%. Fiscal year 15 earnings have been going through the roof. Fiscal year 16 earnings have been going through the roof. I think they're going to outgrow the sector, take market share. I will say this, that their valuation, if you do a peer-to-peer valuation metrics, they're more expensive than most of their rivals. Maybe that explains the 15% short position, but the shorts are being killed on this one. I like it for short term, but I love it for long term. Buy and hold. I think this stock that can make you a lot of money over the course of the next year. Steve, I'll go to you first on this one. I think they got some of these in the Chicago area.
Yeah, Charles, well, I will tell you, in general, I'm a little skeptical of consumer discretionary. Housing has traded very poorly lately, so I think that's going to trouble the sector on the whole. But this story specifically, I really like. And I will tell you, they're in the Midwest, small. But one reason I like this company is they're much bigger in the South and the West, in the growth corridors of America, places like South Carolina and Texas. So I like their geographic footprint. It's not cheap, but I agree with you long term that this is a positive story.
I love how the last 2 shows you got a little digging at Matt on the housing thing without actually, you know, that was sweet. I like that. I like that.
Now, I'm not digging at Matt. I'm digging at housing.
I'm just teasing. Matt doesn't, you know, we'll talk about it later because we get housing data out later on this week. All right, fried chicken. I don't know if that's on the menu, but he talked about the South. Is this, what do you think?
Well, of course. I think this is great. Anything that keeps us from cooking or breaking our nails, we're happy with down there.
I tell you what, economic boom going on.
Carbs make us happy.
I know the stock very well. I've been following for years. They have one in Boulder, Colorado, where I used to have my office. It's fantastic. What I like about it, too, the new stores are opening are a little bit smaller than the other ones, so the margins are actually increasing. Last year, opened 10 stores. This year, 15, expanding. Little high valuation-wise, but the chart looks really good right here. I like it here.
Okay, the same on valuation for me as well. It is expensive, but it's that beer and pizza genre. It really works. Now, my Texas Roadhouse, TXRH, has opened up these Bubba 33s. The same thing. They're copying the BJ's restaurant mantra of beer and pizza. It's perfect.
So in Colorado, after you smoke a little weed, beer and pizza. I mean, it's an amazing combination.
Smoke while you're eating beer and pizza.
All right.